Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, DIYs, trying stuff, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be my weekend Dollar Tree haul. It's just going to go from Thursday to Sunday, just because, yeah, that's what we're doing. But yeah, I went to, this is one store. 2 stores, I don't remember, but yeah, so let's just get into it. Definitely subscribe, you don't want to miss my hauls. So anyway, I got this sticker set, and you get 300 in here, and it's just so many, and with scrapbooking, this is perfect. So I got this set. Then I got these, like, puffer ones. Like, how cute are these, actually? So I got that one. Then this one is so cute. Like, are you kidding? Got that. Then I got this one. It's like all like pop and fruit and stuff. And then I got this one, which you guys probably already know is my favorite. Like, are we getting? So I got that. Then I got the chalk marker in gold. I love these, and like I do DIYs and use these. Also, I'm still growing my nails out, and so far they're growing pretty long. But anyway, so I got that. Then I got the shower headband. I don't ever remember seeing this, like, this print. Let's open it. Like, I know we've seen a lot of shower headbands, but I do not remember seeing this. Like, this to me is like cow leopard. So it just looks like that. It's just like cow leopard to me. So we got her. Then I picked up my favorite glitter lip balm, and yeah, glitter lip balm, and it changes color. Like, I'm wearing it right now, and I love it. So got her. Then finally, we got the new Orchard. I call it Orchard. I don't know how to pronounce it. The non-medicated acne patches, and you get 24 in here. Reduces inflammation, absorbs oil and residue, and it's like the cherry and then the smiley drippy face. And then the other one, same thing, but this one is like a flower and a heart. So those are the new ones of that. You get 12 8mm, and then 12 12mm. So new acne patches. Then this, I freaking love this lip balm. So I got another one because I love this. It's the Nightmare Before Christmas lip balm. I'm obsessed. Okay, then we got this. I don't know if this is old or new. I never saw it, but it's the LA Colors Highlight Add Ultimate Glow in Glow Time. I've literally never seen this before. I don't know what it is, but yeah, this is in Glow Time. I love it. It's so glittery. Then we got this Instantly Radiant Highlighter Brighten Skin Shimmer Finish in Glow Time. Again, the same name. But this one I'm going to use as a double bronzer and highlight because it's kind of like darker. So I'm going to use that as a bronzer and highlighter. And then I got the Instantly Radiant Bronzer in Sun Goddess. And this is just bronzer. So I got that. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to use this for all three. Blush, bronzer, and highlight. Like, I'm going trio with that one. So we got those new LA Colors. I had never seen them. I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me. Then, finally, I found the 4-pack makeup brushes. What brand is this? Okay. But you get a nose contour shadow brush, blending eyeshadow concealer brush, and crease makeup brush. So the blue and the clear, or tan, white, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so you get 4 in each. So these are super cute. They kind of look bougie. So I'm definitely going to do a whole another video, Dollar Tree face makeup video, because we have a lot of new makeup. But that is what I got yesterday. So hopefully this weekend I find some goodies, because we've been hit or miss. So hopefully we find more goodies this week and in this video. Okay, I went to 2 stores today. So here's what I got. Also, my cat is laying right here at the camera. So if you see me going like to your ear. Anyway, so I got these. These are Zero Sugar Lifesavers drink mix, 2 flavors in one. Pineapple punch. So we have that one. And then we have cherry watermelon. So I'm excited to try these. So I got that. Then I got this Crafter Square diamond painting keychain, and it's a little watermelon. I'm obsessed with my little diamond paintings. I love them. My lights are flickering. So I got this little watermelon one. Then this is still $1.25, and I'm like, you know what? I love this. It reminds me of the old Tamagotchi. So I got this little grow your own digital pet in red. So I got that. No, you can't have that. She's trying to steal. Stop. Then this is an oldie, but it's the LED little makeup mirror. I need a new light on my vanity in my room, and it's so hard to get lights for it. So I'm like, you know what? This little vanity mirror is going to have to do. So we got that. Then I did get some socks. I'm still mad they're $150, but I was like, you know what? They're cute. So we got these bow socks. And hoping, I think they'd fit. Who knows? I'm not a size 9, but I was like, you know what? I'll stretch. So we got the bow ones. And then we got the little cowgirl ones, which you guys, if you don't know, I'm obsessed with like Western theme. So these are so up my alley. So we got those. Then we got some new hair ties. At least they were new to me. I love the feel of these, and the colors are so cute. So we got those. Then I know this is old, but this is like my first time kind of seeing it again. But it is the Be Pure Hydrating Primer Serum infused with rose oil. So I'm like, you know what? Why not try this? Because I'm trying like a lot of new makeup looks, Dollar Tree. So I'm like, you know what? Why not throw this in the mix? So we got the primer serum. Then the last things to finish up this day are the Prime Art Marker Superior Art Supplies fabric markers. Okay, I didn't realize they came in all these different colors. So the set I got the other day was just like neutrals, like nudes. But look at these colors. These are like neon colors. So we have this set. Okay, then we got this set. And look at these colors. Okay, so we have that one. There's that set. And then the last set I got is this one. So now I am pretty sure I have all 4 color sets. But I love these. You can do these on t-shirts, bags, just get like, I love these. So that is what I got today. Hopefully when we go out tomorrow, I'm going to 2 stores that I don't really go to. So hopefully I score there. If not, you'll find out. We're back. It's Sunday. We know what that means. Weekend haul. So I went to 3 stores. Walked out of one with absolutely nothing because they didn't have squat. Then first store I went to, I scored, right? And then I was checking out, and I was like, she was ringing up 150. I'm like, huh. Well, yeah, let's just get into it. So first off, let's go with our 125 items. My favorite makeup remover pen, absolutely flawless. Then I got the 2 little, cup keychains for my DIYs, which I am filming soon, literally. Then I got a restock on the Matcha Boba Lip. I freaking love this. I cannot. So I got her. And then we got the 2-pack of hair turbans for a little gift. So we got that. And then these 2 things are new. These were $125 still. But they're the Sophie Volumizing hair clips. So okay, these are white and these are purple. I'm like, what's the difference? So we got these. I feel like these would be fun to, like, try new hairstyles, do whatever. Alright, then the final part of this is the price hike. I knew it was coming soon for, like, HBC, but at least mark it. Like, this was not, like, the display was not marked, like, with a red thing at all. It was not marked $150, not even $1.25. So it's like you're going in blindsided, which I definitely did. I went in blindsided. and thought, oh, it's $1.25. There's no markings. Well, it wasn't. The whole new Ioni, what is this dumb collection? This collection, it's all $1.50. I don't know if it's just my store, if you guys have experienced this, please comment. But yeah, this is $1.50. This, I say stupid collection because I'm just angry. But anyway, I did pick up some stuff because she already rang everything out. I wasn't going to be like, never mind. You know what I'm saying? So, but first off, we got this liquid eyeshadow in Felicia. And I love the packaging. It is cute. So we got the liquid eyeshadow in Felicia. And then we got the liquid eyeshadow in Angel. I'm only doing this because I'm just going to do this on Halloween. Because if I have it on for short term, it won't irritate my eyes. So we got the green and purple Felicia and Angel. And these are now $1.50. And you know what? After I haul this, I'm going to scan it on the app and see what comes up. Because, never mind. Anyway, then we got the matte lipstick in Lola. This packaging for me is kind of boring, if I'm being honest. Let's open it. I'm not going to return it, even though price hike has me irked. And I know I shouldn't be this like butthurt over 25 cents, but I mean I am, because it adds up, and when you don't have it marked, that's what's frustrating. So this is that. Again, packaging boring. You would think it'd be a little interesting, but this is the lipstick in Lola. And then we have, I know there's another matte, yeah. And then the other matte lipstick is in Margarita. And this one's like a little bit darker. So we have Lola and Margarita in our new mattes. Then in our liquid lip plumper gloss, we have Maria again. So is that the same name? Am I going crazy? No, Lola is the matte. So we have Maria in the lip plumper. And then we have Palma again in the lip plumper. Let's see the packaging of this. Is it cute? Is it boring? They also had like lashes, eyeliner, all that, but I don't wear that. I'm definitely not spending $1.50 on it. This is the packaging. Like, what is that? Anyway, so we got the lip plumper in Maria and whoever this is, Palma. So these are the two $1.50 lip plumpers. Okay, we're gonna go on our Dollar Tree app and scan this to see if it scans $1.50 or not. And it definitely does scan $1.50 for this whole entire collection. So lesson learned. Yes, I kind of got mad over nothing because I should have used the app to begin with, but it's not our job to think, oh, let's pull out the app and scan. No, they should be marked. But anyway, that's my little rant about the price hike on this collection, and I guess everything's going up in HBC. Comment down below your guys' input on the number 1, price hikes, number 2, when they're not marked and they're price hiked, number 3, that's the end of this video. Sorry for my mini rant. But hopefully I find some new goodies, and I'm going to scan everything now. I learned the hard way. I'm going to scan everything in that store now. But anyway, that is the end of this haul. Sorry for my rant. Not sorry, but sorry. Comment down below your thoughts, your wish list, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.